Hello friends, are you looking forward to starting a dropshipping business? Then this video is specifically for you. So to be able to start a dropshipping business, one of the first websites you must know or you must have an idea about is a website called aliexpress.com. Now this is one of the website that you can use to source for products, that you can be able to sell, that you can be able to dropship using your website. What you just have to do is to first of all come to this website here, aliexpress.com, and this website also has they have a tab that recommends new products that are trending, like products that are being released by marketplaces, recently. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you can be able to find trending products using this website, because this website recommends products that are getting attraction from their daily customers. So what you just need to know is that with aliexpress.com you can be able to source for products that you can drop ship or import or use for as in mini importation business. So what you just have to do is to navigate to this website and look around it. So make sure you follow up, and I'll be able to show you how you can be able to find trending products or source for products on aliexpress.com.